Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Not every seller ships a box. If you sell your time, a haircut, a coaching call, a photo shoot, a repair, a lesson, then your store needs two things a product shop does not: an easy way for people to book you, and a gallery that shows the quality of your work before they commit. Resogra gives you both, and they are free. In this short guide, I'll set up a booking button that puts your calendar one tap away, then build a service portfolio that turns browsers into believers. Let's make your store work for a service business. Start under Seller Tools and open Booking button. This adds a Book an Appointment button to your store, powered by the free cal.com calendar. When a customer taps it, they see your real availability and pick a slot, and the calendar invite is emailed to both of you automatically. No phone tag, no back and forth. Paste your booking link here. Create a free account at cal.com, set up an event type like a 30-minute call, then copy your link and drop it in this box. You can paste the full web address or just the short slug. That one link is the bridge between your Resogra store and your calendar. Now turn the button on with this switch so it appears on your store page, and click Save Booking Settings at the bottom. That's it. Your Book an Appointment button is live, and customers can reserve your time day or night, even while you sleep. Next, under Seller Tools, open Service Portfolio. This is where you prove you're good at what you do. A product seller has photos of products. You have photos of results, the finished cut, the before and after, the event you styled, the room you renovated. This is what convinces a stranger to book. Organize your work into categories first. Give each one a clear name in English and in French, so every visitor reads it in their own language, then add the category. Think in the words your customers use: bridal hair, home repairs, portrait sessions, business coaching. Click Add Category, and your gallery is ready to fill. Open the category and upload your best photos with a short caption on each. A strong portfolio does the selling for you. It answers "Can you really do this?" before the customer even has to ask. And that is a store built for a service business, a booking button that hands customers your calendar, and a portfolio that shows your work is worth booking. Set them up once and they keep earning for you. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.